This is the stock horn, and here is, okay, here's one of the bigger ones. Here's what it sounds like. As soon as I can find the button here. That's one. I'm going to say what the other one sounds like because I want the lower sound. Sounds like. That's the one I'm going to leave on. Okay. I'll let you know what it sounds like once I get it all hooked up again.
Who is that?
Okay. While you're installing it, you also want to check clearance and make sure that the horn clears both left and right. I wanted to tilt this one up a little bit further, but it was hitting the fairing there. Now this is sitting forward. I may end up turning it around and forcing it to be back, but I didn't want it to be interfering with the hoses here. So I may have to play with things a little bit to get it to look better. But right now this is fine. This will work just fine, and anybody that doesn't listen to the little beep beep horn, they'll definitely hear this one. That's it.